Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to increase your base size in Arknights Endfield. So let's get started. Now first things first, expanding your base is not available right away. You need to progress through the main story to raise your authority level to 15. Now, so just go ahead and keep completing missions, exploring, and leveling up until you reach that point. Once you hit authority level 15, a special mission called AIC Steward will unlock. Now, this mission is the key to expanding your base, so make sure you complete this. Now, after finishing the mission, you'll unlock a new NPC near your base. And this is the new support bot, which is actually an owl robot. Just go talk to this little robot, and you'll see a new option that lets you expand your base area. Selecting that option increases your buildable space, giving you room for more structures, crafting stations, and production facilities, which is super important for late game progression. So, in short, you want to play the story, reach authority level 15, complete the AIC Steward mission, talk to the Owl Robot, and expand your base. And basically, that's about it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!